My main goal in what I do here is to provide support to our clients. I want to make sure that our clients feel very comfortable when they come to us, and also provide the best support possible to our attorneys.
These cases are often some of the most difficult times of a potential client's life, and understanding what has happened to them is critical to understanding whether or not there is a potential case there.
So when a client calls, I'm speaking with them as a nurse, and I'm gathering their medical information, their past medical history, so that I can then take that information and look at the medical records and paint a very clear picture on what cause and effect there may be with that case.
One of the first things that you want to do when you're intaking or meeting with a potential client is to get to know them. So you want to get to know their background, their educational history, their family. Often what I'll do is share a little bit of information about myself to get to know them, because having them feeling comfortable is imperative.
So I'm looking at details in these people's lives. They're letting me into a very intimate portion of their life, and sometimes it's very difficult. But what I've found with my experience as a nurse, sometimes people are more comfortable sharing those intimate details with me, and I have a way of bridging the gap between the medical world and also the legal world.
One of the things that we look for when we're evaluating the case is, what are the damages? Is there some degree of permanency, or is this something that has gotten better over time? One of the things that is often overlooked or misunderstood in personal injury cases are what's called non-economic damages. Those are things like pain and suffering, loss of a normal life, disability, grief and sorrow. All of those are like mini lawsuits when you're evaluating a case. And the more permanent an injury is, the more permanent those damages are.
What makes a case from a nurse's perspective is a very clear cause and effect. I can identify that if not for this incident, the injuries that this person sustained would never have happened.
So ultimately, what makes a great case is a significant injury and clear liability. If you do think that you might have a case, please contact our law office.